Pod Network Entertainment.
Hello to everyone all over the world. Magkakasama na naman tayo sa gabing puno ng kwentuhan, tawanan at bardagulan na may kasamang dirty conversations.
Tama ka na.
This is still the ultimate Gen Z Tambayan. Ganito kasi yan.
Powered by the Pod Network.
At kasama nyo pa rin ang wandering dreamer na hindi nakaka-dreamer at hindi nakaka-wonder ang mga ganitong topics. It's your boy, Jacob.
At ako pa rin ang inyong breadwinner baby boy ng Rizal na hindi rin nakaka-baby boy siguro yung mga gantong klaseng topic. Pero parang nakaka-sugar baby ata ito.
Sugar what?
Sugar baby.
Bakit?
Ewan natin. Ako lang to, silang sa Revada.
Oo.
Hindi ko may tanong ako. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng FUBU?
FUBU means fuck buddy.
Ah, talaga?
Or buddies.
So pag homebodies, hobu? Joke lang. Corny.
Homebody. Yun na yun.
Homebodies, hindi yung group. Sa FUBU.
Oh,
yun pala yun.
pero walang group.
Ano?
Walang group.
Anong walang group?
Kasi sabi mo homebody may group.
Di malay mo sila, more than 2.
Hindi, walang group siya na parang may Facebook group na makahanap ka ng mga homebodies.
Malay mo wala sa Facebook. At na naman po tayo sa isang rated SPG na episode. Kaya naman po siguro, disclaimer na lang po, medyo makalat po ito. Kung ayaw niyo pong pakinggan o kung naka-speaker kayo, please mag-earphones kayo.
Uh-oh.
At kung gusto niyo pa itong mga topic na to, mag-comment na lang kayo. Kung ayaw niyo na, sabihin na lang din sa amin.
Pero paano yung gustong-gusto nila?
Gustong-gusto nga ba
hit na
nila?
hit.
So, totoo lang.
Oo.
Hindi ko alam sa mga podmates natin. Yung mga nilalagay nyo sa
alam mo, ang ko talaga, anibog din yung lahat.
Hindi ko alam kung yun ba yung binibigay naming vibe sa inyo o ano bang sinasabi
yun
namin
siguro
para
ang
ma-turn on sila.
Hindi hoy, grabe ka naman sa nato-turn on.
Ay, hindi natin alam.
Hoy, sino nagsabing nato-turn on ng podmates?
Ay, bakit ganun yung binibigay sa ating mga letter?
Kailangan lang nila ng insights from someone who can give a perspective to them.
At ako pa talaga yung parang hinatsit mo.
Oo, kasi, di ba ikaw...
Ilabas ang episode. Di ba,
Gab, pakischedule.
Ilabas. Di ba parang yung mga lumalabas din kasi sa bibig natin, baka nararamdaman nilang it's a safe space. Lalo na sa mga tinatanong mo, Arjun Charles Jacob.
Ay, hindi. Kasi alam ko, yung pinakamadaldal dun sa What's Alter Like, dun sa pwede bang kasex yung orgmate, yung student leader.
Ay, di ba parang jowa? FUBU ba yun?
Hindi, FUBU yun. Tapos yung bakit, paano yung pag yung boyfriend mo laging in heat, parang hindi po ako nakakapagbigay ng doon, ng mabibigyan ng insightful comments.
Sabihin na lang natin na I'm choosing the more loving option. Para ako yung nagpapatigil na i-release yung isang episode na kung ma-release yun, laglag tong si Jacob.
Ay, sinong nagsabing natatakot ako?
Okay.
Sinong nagsabi dun sa aired na gusto niya yung...
Ano na lang natin. At for this episode,
nagbibigay lang tayo ng context setting kasi lalo na season 8 ngayon, baka may mga new viewers tayo na hindi gets na parang, bakit ko ba dapat pakinggan tong dalawang to for sex advice?
Baka naman naisip nila, bakit parang nasa Kwentutan Podcast?
Hello po, kung gusto niyo po ng collab, kaya po nila sa Arevada yan.
Jacob Makiling.
Solo niya na lang
Jacob
po.
Makiling. Collab po daw kayo. Turuan nyo siya.
Ay, sorry, hindi ko kailangan ng tutor.
Ayan na.
Joke lang.
So, etong episode na to, pinamagatang, may tatlong FUBU akong nakita. Mataba, mapayat, mga...
Tite.
Okay,
officially, this is my post-grad era.
So,
ibig sabihin,
sila pwede magpadala? Go.
Oo, pwede ninyong ipadala ito sa LNCRPD.
Oh my God, bakit sa akin?
At sa Gcash ni Lance po na 0998.
Pero ano bang sinasabi mo ibig sabihin ngayon postgrad mo? So, mas makalat ka na.
That's for you to discover.
Baby boy na ako, so mas...
Mas baby.
Mas prim and proper.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
So,
Hindi, pero kung breadwinner ka, edi bagay din naman sa hindi, ako na sabihin.
Wag na.
Alam mo na sasabihin
sige,
ko.
tuloy mo na.
Di ba pag breadwinner ka, sanay na mag-sandwich.
So, sa mga letter po natin, pwede kayo magpadala sa tinyurl.com/gky. Tugon mo. So, ready ka na ba, Jacob, sa letter natin?
Oo. Lance, bakit ganyan? Parang hindi, you cannot catch your breath with that.
Baby boy na kasi ako. I don't take those comments seriously. It's not within my range for me to talk about.
Okay. If you say so.
Okay, so ready ka na ba?
Oo.
Ito. Hi, Jacob and Lance. What's up, GKY? What's up? Medyo wild to.
What's up? Parang madam people lang.
But honest question lang talaga.
Mm.
I currently have 3 FUBUs. Emoji niya, nakangiti. I mean, yung ngiti na
Uy, pag tatlo naman talaga FUBU mo, mapapangiti ka talaga.
Hindi yung ngiti niya. Alam mo yung parang, yung kita lang yung ngipin. Ganun lang. Hindi yung ngiti na smile. Yung parang ganun.
Siyempre, with teeth talaga yung ngiti.
Dapat nga walang teeth, di ba? O sige, Jacob, ilaban mo yan. All casual, no strings attached. Wala namang label or pa-fall na moments. As in, chill lang kami. Usap minsan, landian konti, then that's it.
Uy, hindi ba dapat wala?
Anong wala?
Landian.
Baka like, ambahan. Like, sige.
Sige. Sige.
Di baka sex talk? Kumbaga like, sige.
Paano?
Pero recently,
hindi sinasagot yung tanong ko, Podmates.
bumabait ako. Nagpapakabait.
Paano nga kung ayaw na... Ayoko yung tuloy yung sentence na yun. Wait lang.
Jacob, pinoprotektahan na kita. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Pero recently kasi daw napaisip siya. Do I owe them the truth na may iba pa akong kafubu?
Parang tinatago mo.
Wala akong feelings for any of them. For now, lol. And I don't get the sense na gusto nila ng something more. So, kantot lang talaga. But at the same time, parang may guilt akong nararamdaman. Lalo na if isa sa kanila is starting to act a bit more sweet than usual. Wow. Ito malandi naman pala to. Di ko alam kung ako lang to overthinking or if may ethical aspect talaga sa ganitong setup. Like, is it basic respect to disclose that I'm not exclusive? Or okay lang na tahimik lang kami? Ano kasi Mark Villar? Since walang commitment from the start. I know, FUBU setups are supposed to be quote-unquote walang sabit. Pero paano kung ayoko namang magmukhang shady? PS, safe ako always. Don't worry. Love, Birchmas. Jacob, tugon po.
Knowledge is power. Wala namang mawawala if malalaman nila. And para lang naman aware din sila. Kasi part of it, even if you say you're safe, para lang din, kasi para lang then they know your history or especially like when you get tested and such, those information are very much vital. So, knowledge is power. Lance, I know you know this. Tugon po.
They don't deserve the half-truth. Na parang like, okay, isa lang yan. Each of your FUBUs deserve the whole truth. It's parang basic decency that you can give to a person, especially to those that you hook up in bed.
Yes. Ito may question ako. Sige, sisimulan na agad kita. Is it lying if you don't say it? Even, for example, you have a FUBU and then they don't ask. Is it lying if you don't say it?
Diyan papasok ng ethics eh. Siguro before like we get to the point na we talk about like lying ba yan or not, or if you say it or not, let's figure out what are the terms ba
Okay.
that were set in place? Kasi that's I think the first step that you need to do. Kasi di ba kunwari, kung may gantong arrangement,
Okay.
ano ba yung pinag-usapan?
Anong nasa contract?
NSA, no strings attached yan eh. Casual
Yeah.
lang. Or like, yun nga, kantot lang, sige. Pero kasi,
with little, with aftercare, ganun.
aftercare, kain, ganun. Pero kasi ang tanong dyan, are you guys exclusive or not? Yun kasi yung parang mga nababasa natin sa Reddit, sa Twitter, na parang exclusively na fubo kami, na like, for our whole safety. Kasi that's the term that you need to define or ensure na parang it's properly communicated. If you guys are exclusive, you stick to one. If that's explicitly said, mutually agreed upon, malinaw sa inyo, then go magkantutan kayo kung gusto nyo.
Pero paano kung
Hindi.
hindi? Paano kung ang is casual?
Yun ang problema. If that's not implicitly said, if that's implicitly said, or parang hindi siya openly na pag-usapan, tapos biglang may feelings na bigla yung kafubo, doon yung doon ka madadali. Kasi pag ganyan, parang baka naiisip nung isa exclusive, tas ikaw hindi naman pala.
Hindi align.
So, kupal.
Yeah.
Yun.
Well, I don't think it's kupal if you were clear from the start on what is expected, what you are expecting, what you are giving. And okay, like for example, sige, sabihin natin kunwari may fubu, mag-fubu. Let's say si person A, si person B. Clear kay person, sinabi, they both agreed, hindi, this is casual, this is you can do anything, NSA. But clear on both parties. Person B catch feelings. May kasalanan ba si person A?
Wala.
O, diba?
Yun. Kapag in terms of romantic feelings.
Pero ito, is it okay to have multiple fubus?
I don't know. I mean, each his own.
Yeah, but siguro on your own perspective.
Kasi, I think, parang I've known people that parang they're into hookups. And if that hookup set up,
Baby boy nga talaga,
boy,
pumipiyok
diba?
pa.
Baby boy, diba?
Nagbibinata pa.
Pero yung setup mo ng pakikipag-hook up is you hook up with random guys. And then some guys would tend to like nauulit. And then I think that's
Paano
the
kunwari
other
may
people.
cycle ka lang between, let's say ito nga yung scenario, may cycle ka lang between 3 guys. Like, okay, today person A, tomorrow person B, Wednesday person C, tapos repeat and rinse.
Ako, as much as judgmental ako, to each his own. Kung ganyan yung sex life na like pinanghawakan nila, kung doon sila nagiging pleasurable, then go. Pero sa akin, if like I would insert my personal beliefs, I don't think that's something na parang, I don't wanna say that it's right, but rather parang it's something na parang feasible or at least acceptable. Parang in the long run, yes, sige, sabihin natin right now nasasarapan ka, 3 lalaki nagpapasarap sa'yo. Sige, go, give ko yun sa'yo. But in the long run, parang hindi ba parang nakakapagod? Or hindi ba parang hindi siya parang something sustainable? So that's how I see.
Sustainable in a way.
In a way na, paulit-ulit na lang kasi 3, or would you want to settle in one, or do you want to explore with others, or how about if you would want to go in a relationship, and the problems that would come in between, like, ganito nga yung scenario ni letter sender ngayon, or yung isa sa 3 to may feelings,
Okay.
tas nagkaalaman yung dalawa. Ang dami kasing complicated. Sa akin, sex shouldn't be complicated. It should be properly communicated, openly said, and that's how it should be for me. And kung ikaw, I won't judge you if you have multiple fuck buddies. But if that's not properly and openly communicated, I think you should address that. Ikaw ba, Jacob? Like, kunwari, ganito nga setup na maraming fubus in place. Like, realistically, do you think a person could really have multiple fubus? And how is it realistic na parang magiging maayos yung ganong setup?
Gusto mo ayusin yung setup?
I mean,
I-systematize GCal's booking.
putang ina.
Okay, sisend ko po yung appointment link for this week. Maghanap na lang po kayo ng day wherein you fit the schedule. Tapos,
Diba? Parang,
uy, grabe pa binibigyan ko na kayo ng idea. Sisend na lang yung...
baka may lettuce meat pa yan. Utang na loob.
Hindi naman lettuce meat. Alam mo yung sa GCal, yung appointment, na parang yung bubuksan mo lang na time slot, sabihin natin, 7 to 11 p.m. Monday to Friday. Tapos maghahanap na lang sila ng fitting. Maghanap sila ng siguro okay na yung 1.5 hour time slot naman, no?
Depende kung gaano kabilis, gaano katagal, gaano ka-intense. Oh.
Siguro 2 hours na
2
time
hours, sige,
slot.
2 hours.
Sige.
O kaya 3 hours kung gusto nila mag-check-in.
Oo, 3 hours na time slot. Or kung may place, pwede ng 2
Oh, kaya 30 minutes. Ay. Pero do you think that's
Or
something
malay mo, kung hindi na kailangan mag-check-in. Kunwari, may pwede
Kotse.
sa fitting room. Oo, di ba?
O sa sinehan. O sa
Hey!
Tama na. Hindi, pero ito nga. Tingin mo, is that something na feasible? Or is something na a setup that
Feasible
works?
siya for a short term. Like, let's say, ipapakaikot-ikutin mo lang muna yung cycle na
Parang
to.
nagtitrip to Jerusalem, di mo alam mo sinong upo sa'yo.
Huy!
Gandang analogy.
Pauna na sa umupo sa'yo.
Oo.
My God, Lance.
Mm.
Ang kalat.
Akala ko mga postgrad.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero yun, for me, at a certain point, it will be tiring. And I think naman, if it's casual, yung sabi mo nga, Lance, na paano kung gusto mo na another person? It's casual. You can look for a fourth one. You can look for a fifth one. Pero, I feel like I don't think naman na FUBU in the sense na umiikot lang sa kanilang tatlo. Parang I feel like yung mga tao naman sa altar parang ganun din naman eh.
Totoo din naman. Pero I guess,
Pero not really branding it as FUBU.
oo, parang kumbaga kakolab. Wait, alter na, Anyway.
Eto may question ako. If you were on the other party, would you, and you find out na the guy you hook up with is also hooking up with someone without telling you?
Depende. Kaya nga sinimulan ko dun sa terms.
Okay.
Kasi if I was expecting exclusivity, if that was explicitly said and cleared to the both of us, I would feel bad.
Paano kung repeat visitor ka na?
Oh.
Tapos parang kunwari,
Parang
repeat visitor ka na.
mahirap kasi maghabol kung wala kang panghahawakan.
Gets.
Parang, kung hindi naman kasi talagang sinabing exclusive kayo, what gives you the assurance? And what gives you also na panghahawakan mo na, huy, kala ko tayo lang. Eh di parang na-attach ka na.
Do you feel lost, doubting yourself, and tired? You question your worth and existence? Well, I'm here for you. Hey, this is Gailey Chavez, and I'm the host of Free Yourself Podcast. My podcast talks about self-love, self-discovery, and growth. This is for everyone who wants to live their fullest life and become the person that they could be. Let me help out and remind you that this is your life, your path, that you are not broken, and you are worth it. Catch me every Friday at 8 p.m. See ya!
Is there something na may pinanghuhugutan ka dito? Wala naman.
Issue to.
Issue lang. Bakit ba?
Baka mamaya anuhin ng mga tao.
Hindi.
Hala, may...
Mabait si Jacob. Siya ang ball of sunshine. Hindi lang natin alam kung ilang ball. Joke lang. Ako muna.
Okay, go.
Sa akin, for health reasons, you should say it.
Yeah, that was what I was about to say.
Oh.
No, yun din sabi ko from the start. Kasi history, diba? Like, for example, diba ina-ask naman yan, I heard lang from people I know na nagpapatest. Na parang, ang tinatanong is parang, have you had only one sexual partner or
Kung ilan yung
or parang
sex partner.
ano lang kayo sa partner nyo or like exclusive kayo sa isa't isa or do they also see other
Kantot-kantot
people?
lang or like fun-fun lang. Ano? Look lang.
I'm innocent. I'm an innocent wanderer.
Ngayon ka mag-ano.
Wanderer, tas innocent. Parang ang mga wanderer mahilig
Mag-wonder pets.
Hindi, mag-wander. So, parang galaso.
Okay na. Isasalba na kita. Kasi yung kamay mo san-san gumagala nakakatakot
Bakit?
Yung wanderer. Basta yun. Siguro for health reasons, sinabi ni Jacob yung parang yung nairinig nga sa mga HIV test. Parang it's more often kasi yun din. Parang for your sexual health, especially if gaano ba yung extent din ng ginagawa nyong sexual activity?
Oo.
Lalo na kung sabihin natin na whether you guys are on condom or you guys are using PrEP. Kasi even if you're using PrEP, it's not guaranteed 100% of the time that you won't acquire any infection, any disease from sexual activity. Especially that you're putting yourself more vulnerable by having multiple sex partners at once. It's not parang ginajudge kita na nagpapakasarap ka. Kasi sa'yo yan decision mo yan. I'm just saying it in a health standpoint na I've had experience nga ng parang talking to sexual health counselors na parang yun nga, na parang you're placing yourself more vulnerable to such diseases. Hindi lang sa HIV AIDS, but even sa sexual infections, sa STDs, STIs. Na parang, baka sige sabihin natin, safe nga kay partner kay FUBU 1, paano kung may something kay FUBU 2, o kaya kay FUBU 3, o kaya kung nagkaroon ka ng sakit, hindi mo alam kung kanino mo siya nakuha. Diba? Parang, it makes it more complicated. Hindi lang dun sa setup of actually telling those people, but also complicated on your health. Na baka parang hindi ka makampante kung talaga bang healthy ka, you're doing safe sex, you're practicing safe sex. If ganun man. Kasi, hindi, ABC yung choices mo. Ikaw, thoughts?
I agree. And it's really, I feel like it's just important na everyone knows one another and everybody knows like how you navigate.
Pero paano yun, Jacob? Kunwari, paano niya sasabihin? Uy,
sige.
guys, gawa tayong
sige.
GC.
Hindi. Parang ganito. Role-playing. Parang, just so that you're aware, I'm also seeing other people, huh? Like,
would that be okay with you?
Would that be okay with you? Would you still want to continue given parang just make them aware na other than, for example, role play. For example, other than you, I'm also seeing other people sexually. I also do some stuff with them. And I'm just telling you so that you're aware then of the sexual history of people you've been sleeping with.
And that's where you owe them the truth.
Yeah.
Not just in terms of ethics-wise, but really health-wise. Na parang, kasi you're also putting them also more vulnerable, I'd say.
Yeah.
Given that you've had multiple sex partners. And from the health standpoint, paano mo sabihin na parang at least awareness of where they're getting themselves at least sana malaman nila yon. And you are denying them that opportunity to learn about that when you don't tell them that truth. Malay mo, gumawa kayong GC, mag-foursome pa kayo, di ba?
Uy!
Di natin alam, pero kasi...
Hindi ba pag ganun gangbang na?
Ba't mo alam?
Hindi.
Back to you, Jacob.
Hindi pag more than a certain number.
Malay natin...
Ay, hindi. Gangbang pag kunwari isa lang yung bot sa kanila.
Malay natin puro verse yung mga nandun.
Oo, pwedeng train,
Grabe ang post-grad era ni Jacob Makiling.
Ang dami, may mga nababasa lang ako sa Twitter. Ang ingay kasi ng mga tao sa Twitter.
Totoo naman yung mga tao sa Twitter.
Oo, minsan naghahanap pa nga ng FUBU para sa secret.
Okay. Yung
para sa kanya sarili.
Parang kumbaga din na hindi din kasi siya parang parang selfish siya for me. if you won't tell. Whether, sige, kahit sabihin mo naman na you're not attached to them. Parang, yun nga, casual lang naman kayo. Wala naman kayo pinag-usapan ganyan. I think you have that opportunity to be the bigger person. Depende na lang kung big na yung ano mo.
Malay mo maging bigger pa.
Oo, mas bigger yung dick energy mo. If like, you would be communicative to your partners.
Oo, kasi mas nakaka-big dick kung decente kang tao.
Oo nga.
Kung maayos kang kausap.
At kung kupal ka,
edi umuwi ka na. Pero for me, mas small dick energy kaya ang ano kaya if kunwari ginagawa siya behind your back.
Paano ginagawa behind your back?
Like kunwari hindi mo without the awareness. I mean, hindi naman kailangang okay, makikipagkita ako kay tonight, ha? Hindi naman ganon. Pero just the fact na I'm doing this with you, but just so you know, and for your awareness, for your health, I'm also doing this with another person, and then, di naman kailangan pati NBI clearance, buong pangalan, just the knowledge lang na what you do, that you'd also do it.
Totoo, kasi parang alam mo yung parang nakakagago lang if like you won't even give that basic decency.
Yeah.
Even if you don't have any labels, and even that's already FUBU. And tinatanong niya nga dito is like, yun nga, parang may guilt siyang nararamdaman eh. So parang,
hindi kung guilty kay sabihin mo.
Ibig sabihin, parang tinatawag ka rin ng konsensya mo. I guess.
Na dapat sabihin mo.
Na parang I think you need to be more transparent. And it's not like you're shady.
Yeah.
Or like you're may tinatago kang kung ano man.
O di kaya, magbibigay na ako ng suggestion para madali. Convention ng mga FUBU.
Puta na yan.
Ipag-meet niya yung tatlo.
Nga,
para they
gangbang
know
nga.
each other.
Nga, tas,
Hindi,
one
na lang
thing
siya.
led to another.
Na lang siya, watcher lang siya doon. Hayaan niyo yung tatlo.
Okay.
Joke,
Noted.
I mean, papanoorin niya lang how things will unfold. Na parang kung bahala na sa kung ano ma-discover na sa isa't isa. Wait lang, wag kayong ganyan sa akin.
Okay. Oo nga.
Oo, so parang gawa ka na lang ng gathering ninyong apat.
Okay. Noted. Tas yung parang ano ba naman na, parang hindi naman to yung parang yung, puro ko parang, pakat na lang po yun. Yung ethical aspect talaga is just being a person who treats other people with decency. I think yun yung pinaka-important. Siguro yung magiging last advice ko sa'yo is yung FUBU mo, sige, kakantutan mo yan, pero tao pa rin yan. Bilang tao, may karapatan din siyang malaman yung mga bagay na kailangan niyang malaman. And that includes kung yung kakantutan niya ay may iba ring kakantutan. Dahil para sa kanya rin yung kalusugan.
Oo.
So parang, yun as is. It doesn't, well, your setup right now might be complicated for me to understand. Might be too complex kasi that's sex. But sige, you have multiple FUBUs. But sige, give ko na sa'yo yun. Pero, it doesn't supposed to be hard for you to communicate that to people that you're sleeping in bed with.
Uh-oh.
I think you need to realize that. And kung ano man yung mangyari, and then it happens. Pero kung ano man, kasi ang importante dito na sabi mo,
yeah,
at least alam nila. Be the bigger person.
Bigger.
Oo, bigger in a sense of having the more decency. And
Having the balls to do it.
Having the balls to do it. Exactly.
Yeah.
And kung ano man mangyari after, you deal with the consequences of not telling them prior. That's something that you will face because of your choices, because of your decisions.
Yeah. Doon naalala ko lang doon sa hindi mo maintindihan. Parang yung sinabi mo, parang a friendship only, a setup only you can understand. Oh, yeah. Kayo yan, you work on it, kayo yan, kung ano nag-work sa inyo, parang hayaan ko kayo dyan, give ko na yun sa inyo because masaya kayo dyan masaya kayong apat Pero, don't allow it na, okay, masaya kami dito so hindi na namin i-rock yung status quo. They deserve to know the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yun na yun.
Yun lang po yung sasabihin ko. So, sana matulungan ka ng Diyos na mag-discern.
Sana tawagin ka ng konsensya mo dahil sana din tawagin din kami ng aming mga for collabs, mga partners namin. So
Anong klaseng collab ba ang hinahanap mo?
Professional.
Professional collabs.
Tama ka na.
Podcast collabs.
Ganito kasi yan pod@gmail.com. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong episode na to, what if i-share nyo sa mga social media platforms? Tag nyo kami. It's at GKYPod on all social media platforms. Ako, it's LNCRVDA on Instagram. Ikaw ba,
The Charles Jacob on all social media platforms and sa Kwentutan Podcast kung gusto nyo po. Hi po!
At nag-release kami ng episode every Saturday. Stream nyo rin mga past episodes namin. Follow nyo kami sa Spotify, rate nyo yung 5 stars, i-ring nyo yung notification bell. O kaya tingnan nyo rin kami sa YouTube, sa The Pod Network Entertainment. At wag nating kakalimutan na kantutan man kayo dyan, importante na magkwentuhan. Kwentuhan,
tungkol sa
usapan,
honesty,
paliwanagan.
Oo.
Yes. At katapatan.
Oo. Kantutan, kwentuhan, katapatan. Kailangan ganun yung dynamics niyo. KKK.
Wag nang kalimutan. At ito pa rin ang
Ganito Kasihan.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.